Yeah, look. From here. Okay. Now. True. So, okay. I'm just blocking. Now I block it. Right? I'm grabbing and I'm hitting and I'm throwing it. You punch you, I block it, and then I hit you again.
喺2006年曾經向斯洛伐克教授州際同埋城市嘅警察我哋傳統中華武術，
係嘛？凡你擠按彩講咗啦，手指好多手法㗎嘛。點啊？係咪一打出嚟啲手法，要攻啦，呢啲全部手法，一揦到你標指呢啲手法，全部手法啊！一揦，呢啲全部手法。
除咗教授斯洛伐克嘅公安之外，我仲有教授佢哋嘅特種部隊。而家我哋由解剖學嗰方面去睇睇傳統中華內家拳發勁嗰時嘅快速伸展收縮嘅筋、條韌帶同埋筋膜嘅結構。呢個視頻係一個人體科研嘅國際交流平台。氣係什麼？大宇宙嘅氣係天地，小宇宙嘅氣係人類。
Again. The very fast, rapid, these kind of moves, right? These fingers, finger ligament, right? So finger ligament, wrist ligament, wrist. Okay, all this. You can do that. Okay, elbow. Okay, elbow. All this elbow. Cut elbow. Right, elbow. Shoulders. Yeah. So this is also a strike. The two strikes. It's just a matter of speed. I can do it very slow. When I do it slow, it's going fast. When I do it fast, they become martial 拳法. They're all same muscular, skeletal, or methodology or exercises.
大概2600年前，莊子都有話：流水就不腐，胡書就不倒。而家呢，我哋首先就要分析中國先賢所謂嘅什麼係外家拳嘅力，同埋內家拳個勁。由解剖學去分析外家拳個慢性肌肉所產生嘅力量，同埋內家拳快速筋腱層次伸展爆發出嚟嘅勁度。喺健身房操練到嘅肌肉層次，古人呢就話係叫做外功或者叫做外家。當操練去到外家拳打一種剛硬嗰個力度，佢所用嘅呢就係帶慢性收縮嘅外表嘅肌肉層次。由解剖學分析到紅色嗰啲肌肉呢，就係外家拳個力所操練得嚟嘅慢性收縮嘅細胞肌肉層次。 而家睇睇外家拳，通常咧就用嘅慢性伸縮肌肉層次所發出嗰個剛硬長拳嘅打法。而相反地咧，內家拳嘅打嘅由中帶剛嘅爆炸個勁度，係由操練所得嚟嘅快速嘅收縮嘅內深層筋腱層次。由解剖學嘅插圖嗱，大家而家好清楚睇到內家拳操練嘅深層白色嗰啲包攞住骨頭嗰啲筋韌帶。由解剖學，大家仲可以睇到傳統中華內家拳發勁嗰時嘅快速伸縮筋韌帶同埋筋膜嘅結構。而家呢睇到咧就係包攞住我哋全身個筋腱層次嘅筋膜。而家可以睇睇馬王堆13世嘅導引術發勁咧，係點樣去來練我哋嘅筋骨。外內家拳另外一個唔同嘅操練嘅方式咧，就係內家拳咧就要求操練者做到9節連環，繼而帶動到周身一加一動全動嘅心身自然智慧術嘅反應。而家分析13世內家拳9節連環發勁嘅操練。呢一個係第一個關節手指嘅筋韌帶。
Finger ligament. Right. So finger ligament. Wrist. 你擠按採啊，講咗啦，手指好多手法㗎嘛，你嘛係咪？你打出嚟啲手法，要攻啦，呢啲全部手法，一揦到你標指呢啲手法，全部手法一揦，呢啲全部手法。
而家用手指關節嘅手法分析，同埋用慢動作去拆打出嚟教授國外學生。
Right, bang, right, we make contact, yes, but when I do this, yes, here, so here is control, here is control, this is control, this control, this control, so this is control, so here this control, so all the time I'm controlling you as well, right, and I'm controlling you here, I'm controlling you here, right, okay, yeah. So when you're in a fight, priority is not hit the person. Make sure he doesn't hit you first, mate. So therefore, you have to control. Yeah, that's control. Yeah, now this control. This control. Yeah, this control. This control. Fingers. This control. Understand what that is? Yeah. From here. That's one hook. Now. Then I come in. You understand? You will block. Then from here, right? Because there's no point. Because some people are very, very strong. If you're feeling strong, the more strong you are, right, the more we shock you. Okay? Yeah? And then from here, yeah. So left, right, up, down, backward, forward. Because all the time, I'm forward. Yeah, I'm using this. Yeah. matter of how you're cultivating the right ligament, because now it's firing of the ligament. It's not the bulk, right? So the ligament is stretching. The whole thing is Dao Yin Su. That's stretching. That's stretching. Yeah? Now this is stretching. Okay. So when I stretch this side, opposite side. That's left side. Yeah. So from here, yeah. Pull people in, fall over. Okay. Good. Thank you. Yeah.
而家我哋睇睇個腕嗰啲筋嘅韌帶嘅操練方法。
Wrist ligament. Wrist. Okay. Or this. You can do that. Okay.
The even closer wrist strike. More superior.
而家又要睇睇個爭位嗰啲筋韌帶操練個方法。
Okay. Elbow. What is elbow? What is elbow? Cut elbow. 係 elbow。保護咗我個頭㗎。嗱呢下啦，我一梳頭，係咪？你一錘打過嚟，我爭佢食腳，一食腳你都喎，一食腳你點？我一轉左背右板啦，再轉一轉，我呢隻手揦咗你㗎咯喎，你隻手喺度㗎咯喎，上下我沉。呢個西一沉咧，我爭上再上，呢個手位呢個我斷你個爭啊！一下擋你，睬你，爭斷你爭，橫爭，拋爭，按。你玩慢啊嘛！玩俾你咯，咁你有慢，你都有快噶嘛，係嘛？嗱，佢一嚟，講嗰度一講，呢下嗱一講斷爭，一斷爭嚟打快慢啲啦，你睇唔到係嘛？一轉呢下一斷你咯，呢下撞你咯，打你爭，即係好多爭法，係咪咁嘅意思啊？
謝謝大家收睇，下回分解。請大家點讚、評論同埋關注呢個平台古今人體醫科研究 Research 梁恩貴教授。請大家繼續收睇武學第一章2節馬王堆13世9節連環法經，跨擋腳踭腳趾嘅關節。如果要學習梁恩貴教授畢生研究嘅傳統中華內丹醫學術嘅大學嘅課程呢，就要訂閱各套文武醫嘅視頻教育堂，或者如果要操練啲免費馬王堆13世內家治療醫術或者內家拳嘅智慧功法呢，請電中國群組鄧學運+86150242222301，中國嘅香港群組梁啟仁+85255448856。多謝大家。To all the various video lectures of Professor Dr. Y.K. Leung, or to book for some free trial trainings with 13 essences, please call our registered as listed below. Thank you very much.